19-year-old Marcus Ray walked into the Cook County Courthouse with his head held high, not because he was innocent, though he insisted he was, and not because he had a team of lawyers behind him. He didn't. He was alone, facing serious charges, grand theft auto, and resisting arrest. Most people saw a young black man in a suit and thought he was just trying to look good for the judge. What they didn't know is Marcus was about to tear the courtroom apart, using nothing but his words. The prosecution was ready. A 2023 BMW 3 Series had been reported stolen from outside a downtown bar in Chicago. Just hours later, Marcus was allegedly spotted behind the wheel, leading police on a chase through the South Side. He was arrested blocks away. The car was recovered, damaged. It looked like an open-end shut case. Judge Arnold Brenner presided that morning, known for his quick temper and quicker rulings. He chuckled as Marcus informed the court he'd be representing himself. "Think you're a lawyer, Mr. Ray?" the judge asked. "This isn't a school debate." The courtroom laughed, but Marcus didn't blink. He stood up straight and calmly asked for the court's attention. The prosecutor, Gerald Langston, laid out the facts. Fingerprints on the steering wheel. Police officer Tully's testimony placing Marcus at the wheel. And Marcus's own arrest, not far from the scene. Then, it was Marcus's turn. No lawyer, no script, just a binder of documents and a mind sharpened by years of watching his mother work as a paralegal. He began by questioning Officer Tully's timeline. Tully had claimed he saw Marcus driving the stolen car, but Marcus had already pulled his GPS logs through a subpoena. The data showed Officer Tully wasn't even on duty at the time he claimed to witness the chase. That was the first crack. Next, Marcus addressed the fingerprints. He admitted to touching the car, but not stealing it. "I saw the car parked outside a 7-Eleven. The door was open. I looked inside and closed it. That's when my prints got there," Marcus said. "If I try on a jacket in a store and someone else shoplifts it later, does that make me guilty?" The jury listened, eyes wide. Even Judge Brenner leaned forward. Then Marcus brought up a missing piece, the forensic analyst. The person who processed the fingerprints never showed up, which meant Marcus couldn't cross-examine the results. He was dismantling the case, piece by piece. Finally, Marcus presented a sworn statement from Leonard Faulkner, the owner of the BMW. Faulkner had told police that the person he saw driving off with the car was white. Marcus was not. Now, the courtroom was silent. Marcus looked at the jury and spoke clearly. "This isn't about evidence. It's about assumptions. I was arrested for walking while black, near where a car had been stolen. That's it." Judge Brenner stared at the prosecution. "Do you have anything else?" he asked. Langston shook his head. With a hard rap of the gavel, Judge Brenner said the words Marcus had been fighting to hear. Case dismissed. Outside the courthouse, reporters waited. Cameras flashed, but Marcus wasn't interested in interviews. He walked down the steps to his mother, Cassandra, who pulled him into a hug. "You scare me half to death," she whispered. He smiled. "Had to take a risk, Ma." Across the street, Judge Brenner stood watching. The smirk was gone, replaced by something else. Something that looked a lot like respect. Marcus Ray didn't just defend himself. He exposed a broken process, one that nearly cost him everything. And the message was clear. Next time, Marcus wouldn't be the defendant. He'd be the defense.